Marvin, turn on the lights.
Okay.
Marvin, turn off the bedroom.
Okay.
In this tutorial, we build our very own Alexa using an ESP32 and the Wit AI service from Facebook. We're going to cover two main topics: wake word detection and intent recognition. Finally, we'll wire these two together to create our Alexa system. For our wake word detection, we'll be training up a model using TensorFlow and then running that model using TensorFlow Lite on our device. We'll cover collecting and preparing our training data, training the model, and converting the model to TensorFlow Lite. For recognizing the user's intent, we'll be using Wit AI from Facebook. We'll create a new Wit AI application, create the intents, entities, and traits for our Alexa system, and then train our application to recognize a set of example phrases. Finally, we'll wire all of this up into our Alexa system and run it on an embedded device. We'll cover audio input and output, running the neural network, streaming audio to Wit AI, and processing the results from Wit AI. With these steps, we'll create a complete working DIY Alexa.
Marvin, tell me a joke.
What goes up and down but does not move? Stairs.